So how do you think about the clutch pedal?
It is a stiff pedal. Stiffer than mine.
Oh, out of the way. How are my brakes?
Alright.
Yeah. So the performance-oriented brake pads. Look at this guy! Get out of the way!
Look it up with some pizza though.
Look it up with the pizza? So right now we're actually going to be going to Hector's house so that we can install the rear motor mount. I'm going to be filming it a little bit just so we can get a before and after of the vibrations and whatnot, because I know a lot of you guys are probably going to be interested in how bad the vibration is. To a lot of people it's not that bad, and to a lot of people it's a big thing. Hector has it on his SI, and you said it's not even that bad, huh?
Nah, it's not really that bad. I mean, you notice a difference, but it's not like you're gonna die from the vibration.
No, so you almost stalled, fucker.
It's not my car. I wonder if he wants to play.
Go for it. Don't get caught, fucker. We're really chasing the Scion right now?
Yeah.
To the Scion TC1s out there, guys, but those cars are pretty slow compared to an SI, and SIs aren't even that fast. Vámonos. Let's go, bro.
I left. That's one of your subscribers.
Right? He's like, oh, I know who he is. Yeah, he's staying back there. He's not even gonna bother to come up here. What's more embarrassing is that you're driving my car. It's not even me driving. So off topic, guys. Like right now, I don't know if you guys have heard, but anybody in Southern California, dude, Ventura County has had the worst luck this whole week. We had a shooting at a bar and with 12 victims, and now we're having another fire. We're still recovering from the Thomas fire from like not even a year ago. It just sucks so bad right here, and the majority of this is on fire. All the exits right here are closed. I know a lot of you guys might not care, dude, but this sucks for Ventura County right now. So if anybody of you have been affected by it, I'm really sorry, and I hope you guys are pushing forward. I know a lot of people have lost their houses because of this, and I mean, we just gotta push forward, man. So yeah,
Ventura County strong.
Ventura County strong. We should probably eventually invest in some ramps, some self-made ramps for our cars.
Yeah.
Because your Integra's pretty slammed. Mine just has a big lip on the front, and I don't want to keep taking off the bumper for that. I ended up going to Hassport, and I went with the 70A one, so we're gonna see how big of a difference this makes. Why did I wait so long? There you go. Why did I wait so long to do this? Honestly, I don't know. I probably should have done this a long time ago. That way I could avoid some possible crack in the header, but I already checked it before last week. Header's fine. Now I'm finally gonna have this done in it. It wouldn't be an install video unless we're having technical difficulties. The jacks that we have here doesn't lift the car up high enough. So we're gonna have to go to Hector's parents' house and use their equipment at his house. Pretty much where you guys saw us attempting doing the other installs in the past, that's where we're gonna be going right now. So the jack that we have right now, it's just not high enough, so it's not clearing enough room for us to put the jack stands underneath. Oh well. Yeah, it's so much faster. Car's already up. Car's already up, guys. So let me see. So this is what we needed, like for real, for real. Without this, we probably would have had to go rent something or come up with something. It is really windy right now, so I do apologize if the audio is going to be really bad, but we're going to do our best. How many bolts do you have to take out?
2.
Really? Yeah. And nothing falls?
Oh.
That's scary. What?
Daddy Big Dick is here.
Daddy Big Dick?
And his little cousin.
And his little cousin.
Or it's like you versus the guy she tells you not to worry about.
Damn, like that? Was it?
Yeah, it looks like it was 20.
Dude, this took, what, like 10 minutes, maybe less?
Yeah.
For us to take it out. 2 hands, well, 2 pairs of hands is good. But that's the side-by-side difference, guys. We literally just needed to keep, like, as you pull down, you push up, and you keep prying it from underneath. I wasn't gonna take the camera underneath there because there's not a lot of room to work with. So now we just need to put that one back in place. No, yeah, now we just need to put that one in place and we're done. So we're gonna try to describe it as best possible after, yeah. So
this just goes in, I'll suck your dick. Like, I will be mad if this one just slides right the fuck in.
don't make promises you won't keep. So we're actually gonna be using the jack to jack up the motor to give us a little bit more clearance underneath, because without that, you're not gonna be able to get that in unless you are magic with your hands. So,
if you're magic with your hands,
Hector,
hit up my home.
I'll jack it up while you pretty much guide it in.
You know what? Get one of those pieces of wood so that's not, the metal doesn't go on your hand.
Oh, that's right. Careful with your foot. You guys want the content? I'm gonna do my best.
You want to cut them?
Kinda. Okay, so that's how it looks like. Okay, now what?
Now we gotta push the mount and the motor this way so we can get the bolt in.
Put the bolt in there now. That way, this one, the one right there, this one. The other one, yeah.
No, it's still not aligned all the way.
Not all the way?
No, we still gotta align it. See?
All right.
I can show you where it's not aligned-ish. Not really. It's too dark.
All right. Let's go ahead and take care of that. So what we ended up having to do, and I know it's not really recommended, but we sprayed WD-40 because we don't have a degreaser. We don't have something to grease it all in. Because without that, see how he's pushing it in? It's really hard to line this up without the proper stuff. We ended up lifting up the oil pan from the front to make the engine go up this way to give us more wiggle room in there.
Wiggle, wiggle.
So now, is it lining up in the back hole? Ora.
It's kind of there.
But it's better than what it was 5 minutes ago.
Oh, dude, it's way better.
Make sure you guys use a mallet, not a hammer. If you need to hammer stuff. Look, it's going in now, yeah.
It's coming back. It's doing
Here,
this again.
let me... Is it in yet? Is it in?
Yes. That was so easy. All that pain and suffering for it to go in so easy.
He's lying. He's fucking lying.
Suck my dick, Tony.
He's lying. I know on camera it looks like I didn't do anything other than use the jack guy.
Huh?
But I was helping him off camera.
Yes. It's a big help.
This sucks.
Yeah.
I mean,
honestly, it's worth it.
done?
Get me out of here! That's it.
With your hand. This is damn.
And I washed them.
I mean, you know, because that's gonna help, but it really does. Small pallet on the bottom.
Just put all the tools that you need.
There's literally, yeah, we probably should have done this in the beginning, but
You got a compressor, which fucking helps a lot. It's a 17 and a 19. That's it. And if you got an impact, then you probably don't need it.
and look, like,
That was probably the easiest install we've done. And it was probably the hardest at the same time.
It's 2 bolts. 2 bolts, that's all it was.
3.
Okay, yeah, 3, because we redid the front one, right?
Yeah,
so, but the thing that sucks about this one is that there's like little to no wiggle room underneath the car.
yes.
There's little to no wiggle room underneath the car, and what sucks about that is that huge pry bar you guys saw right there and those pieces of wood that we have, we pretty much put that in between the oil pan. Like you guys saw that what we did off camera was we used the subframe with a freaking with the pry bar, and we also used a piece of wood to put in between so it can be pressured all around to wiggle the engine back and forth from either side to get that mount in there. That was probably the hardest thing. So to figuring that part out.
And actually this was easier because you were here to help. But doing mine on my own was kind of a bitch. Plus I had a seized bolt. That took forever to come out.
But
start it up and feel the vibration. Hold on.
Feel the vibration. Seriously. Let's just wash our hands first and then we'll take care of all that. Alright, first initial startup. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I definitely heard that. I definitely felt that. Oh yeah, it vibrates. Just give it a little rev. Yep. Yeah, that's a lot of vibration. Yeah. You really do hear it. Or feel it, actually. Huh. Well, obviously we're going to drive around right now because we got to go back to our...
I got some for Robert, too.
Okay, cool. Gross chiles. I'm going to try. You do feel a lot more vibration, but it's not as bad as people are pointing it out to me. That launch was really whack because I missed second gear, but I didn't expect it to give me that much of a good feedback. So, get it. Damn. I didn't really do a proper outro to this video, but Hector and my cousin laying down together. Anyways, but it's just the motor mount, guys. I felt a huge difference, especially just driving it from here. Freaking, I mean, that's Hector. He loves driving that, and I don't know.
Yeah.
If you guys want me to really do a video about it and go in depth in it, I'm down to do that. Just let me know. But other than that, it's just a rear motor mount. It makes a difference, but it's not enough to say that it sucks. But there is a huge vibration difference. But yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. You guys have a good day. Stay classy. Peace.